get along, but the trips always feel so long. I find myself trying to stay by the phone, and your voice always helps me, and I feel so alone, but I feel like an idiot.